Okay, Toyota Caldina installed for 7-inch ONEbiz 7-inch Android GPS HD Toyota Universal Player, no DVD version, OB-AV4ST Toyota Universal, which is left to right, 20 cm. Okay, OEM socket plug and play for Toyota car. Okay, and OEM normal screen Toyota Caldina casing. Okay, to change player, you have to change the player casing as well. Okay, full manual. Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Search for car BT to pairing. Password 0000. Okay, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. A radio. So you can choose the frequency you want. Then long press to save it. Okay, go to setting, Android setting, turn on Wi-Fi and pairing with your phone hotspot, connect for internet, 1 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. It's got a 1 USB slot, we'll put in a drawer. Or connect to the external USB slot. So it's got a 1 USB slot, extension slot, setting, sound setting, 3-band equalizer, system info 1 GB DDR RAM, 16 GB storage. Styling control setting, change your logo. Okay, log in Play Store to download app. You can use Waze, Google Maps for online maps. It's got a video input and video output. Support for the reverse camera input as well. So this is OB-AV4ST 7-inch Toyota Universal for Toyota Caldina, installed by ONEbiz. Right, thank you.